Hey guys, Damon here. Are you looking to make $10,000 a month as a beginner in real estate? That was my first goal when I first started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $10,000 a month and do so consistently so you can achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. So let's get going. When many people are first starting out in real estate, they want to reach a place where they can make money every single month, and so they can become financially free. Your number might be more or it might be less. Mine personally was $10,000 a month when I first got started, and from there, as I started doing more deals, that number increased. I just wanted to have financial freedom. So, I'll go over and I'll show you step by step how you can do the same or more. To get started, the first step is to pick a strategy. For this guide, I'm going to use the lease purchase because it's one of the best real estate strategies to use as a beginner. The reason why is because it requires very little to no money down to get started. So you can literally turn $10 into $10,000 or more in your first month. In fact, on my very first deal, I did the very same, and I've had other coaching students do the very same as well. It also requires no credit, so there's very little risk when starting out. In this guide, I'll use the assignment technique as a way to demonstrate how you can make $10,000 a month. And there's quite a few ways that you can profit with the lease purchase strategy, so be sure to check out my other video where I go over each in detail. Now that we have our strategy picked out, the second step is to get our seller marketing going. That can be in the form of cold calling, signs, direct mail, driving for dollars. There's many different ways you can do it. The bottom line is we just have to get the leads coming in. You want to speak with at least 5 home sellers a day or more if possible to start getting some traction. Like with anything, the more you do it, the better your chances are going to be. And that's going to be to get a deal locked up so you can start making some money on. Once we have our marketing going, the third step is that we have to talk to the sellers. The condition and the specifics of the home are important, don't get me wrong, but the most important thing is that you have to find the underlying reason why the seller is selling their home. Every seller has a reason. That's the only way we can start to determine what it will take to close the seller. Once we know their underlying reasons, we can craft our offers around that. So, it becomes a win win offer, so to speak. The bottom line is you want to work with someone who's flexible on their price or terms so you can lock up a deal. That's the goal on this step. Once we have the deal locked up with the seller, the fourth step is that we have to start marketing for a buyer. That's how we get paid on these deals. So we have to put our marketing hat back on and get the phone ringing off the hook. The quicker we do this and find a qualified tenant buyer, the quicker we get paid. The ads have to be creative enough to stop them in their tracks to get them to pick up the phone and give you a call. We can do this by offering either favorable terms or creative financing. But we also want to do things right. So we want to make sure that any buyer that we work with can afford the monthly payments and has a good chance of buying the home on or before the end of the term. And you can find this out by doing your due diligence when you're qualifying the buyer. Once we've found a qualified tenant buyer, the fifth step is to get paid. Their option consideration or assignment fee will be our profit on the deal. The average profit on these deals is $10,000, but it all depends on the price of the properties that you're dealing with in your area. The higher the price range that you deal in, the more that you can ask down or as an assignment fee. Once you assign the deal, you're completely out of it. So you collect $10,000 and you're done with the deal. You're on to another deal and another payday. Do you want to know the secret to making $10,000 every single month in real estate? It's not really a secret at all. It's just being consistent and persistent with every single one of these steps. And that's how you can make $10,000 every single month. And so you can finally be on the path to financial freedom for you and your family. So there you have it, step by step, how you can make $10,000 or more every single month in real estate as a beginner. It's just being persistent and taking action to get the ball rolling. And once you have that ball rolling, you just got to keep it rolling. And it's like a snowball effect. The potential is unlimited. If you have any questions about getting started in real estate, such as strategies, sales, marketing, Feel free to call or text me. I answer my own phone. My number is 314-764-5656. Or go to my website, damonboudreaux.com, and schedule a free 15-minute consultation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. If you did, click the like button below, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.